Well, the School of Education is very, very fortunate in that we have received very little damage to our building, which is immediately behind us, Ramona Wood. There is some water damage there, but it's minimal compared to a lot of other places on campus. One of our departments is across the street, even further back in Mason Hall, and that building houses the Family and Consumer Science Department, and they did have significant water damage there, but it's still, it has still been spared of some of the traumatic damage that a lot of other buildings on campus have. So we're really in good shape. Well, they have been very busy communicating with students. Students, of course, are feeling in jeopardy, and they feel uncertain about how they're going to proceed, and so they've been busy mostly communicating with students and one another. Some of them were affected by the storm themselves with housing. Some of them have taken in refugees, if you will. They've taken in persons who lost their housing and are living with them. Some of them are volunteering at the volunteer center here and some other places. And of course, a lot of our students are not only displaced, but even some of the displaced students are helping others during this particular week. Well, I was told that we had over 2,000 volunteers in here last Saturday, and so that itself is a huge number and indicates the kind of camaraderie and support and just the desire that people have to help when there's a tragedy like this. And so it's just been monumental. I personally have had contact and calls and emails from all over the state of Alabama, from other universities and other individuals who are wanting to help. Some of them have brought groups here already. And so it's just been phenomenal how people come together with this kind of event. Well, I'm Tommy Turner, Dean of the School of Education, and we are JSU Strong.